welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will be sharing a project that I created, and I just love this project. All the things that I'm using in this video will be linked down below, and I think this was just a super fun stamp and die set. I don't know if they are meant to like coordinate, but they sort of do perfectly. So I just wanted to embrace that and create a card, and you will see how everything turned out here. So I'm just showing you the die set here. That one is called 4-bar card and envelope builder, and the stamp set is Hugs and Kisses from Love Dennis Studio. I just love her stamps. They are always these bold stamps with amazing text. So I will actually end up using a gray piece of cardstock here. You will see me stamp that a little bit later in this video. But I started off by thinking that I wanted this to be on a white piece of cardstock, and I just stamped that once with some really light gray colors. So I have this like a guide for how to position all of my cut out pieces later on. And I also took the time and cut out these 4-bar card. And you can see I'm choosing a couple of different shades of pink for my hugs, and I will have another set for my other like the kisses and the leaves. Sorry, not the leaves, the hearts and everything. So I liked that I had a lot of different shades of pink and orange for my hugs sentiment or hugs piece, and I wanted to do something with the kisses as well. So I just took 2 pieces of teal cardstock and glued it together, and then I will cut this out simultaneously with the kisses. I think that sort of turned out really fun. So I'm making sure that I have this centered so that I have pretty much the same amount on both of them. And here you can see how I'm changing direction and going with this slightly, it's not much of a color difference, it's just this really pale gray color. I believe it's called Fog from Simon Says Stamp. And I'm just inking it up once with that same really light gray color to have as a guide. And then I'm putting back my stamp set. And I'm sorry about, I can think it's a little bit of a glare here in when I'm filming this, but hopefully the camera is picking up the essential pieces of this video. Otherwise you can always leave me a comment down below if something is not clear in the video. So here you can see how I'm just creating some interest and deciding how I want these letters to be layered. And I decided to go with the hugs underneath the last letter here. So I just love how this turned out. It's such a pretty with all the colors here. And here is that kiss die that we created. I really like this. You can use this technique for so many other occasions, I think. Really a fun idea. So when we're done with this, we will go in with the hearts, and I cut the hearts out of some green and teal colors as well. You can see my jewel picker here from Trinity stamps. I just love it. They had a different one before, so you can see I'm using both of them here on camera. I have both of them. They are really a must-have tool in my craft room, and I'm using them for every project. Even if I'm sometimes not showing them in the video, they are always there helping me create these projects. So here is my card base, and as I said, this will turn out to be a 4-bar card. And the fun thing is that this set that coordinates and cut out the hugs and kisses and everything, it also creates this really cute 4-bar envelope. So this is such a versatile set. You can see also the panels that I cut out, the gray panel, the dies for that one is also included in this set. So this was just jam-packed with a lot of different options for 4-bar cards. I just love it. I have used it a ton since I got it back in January, and yeah, by the way, the pattern papers, I believe, I don't know which company it's from, but it's a really old pack of something, so you can use whatever you have in your stash, or you can create your own pattern paper with just some splatters. I think that would be amazing too, for if you want to substitute this pattern paper. And then I will just show you how perfectly this like fits inside of this envelope. It just slides in, and here it is. I hope you liked this video. If you did, it would be really helpful if you can considering subscribing to this channel and maybe giving this video a thumb up. And as I said, all the links to the product that I used in this video are linked down below. Until next time, have a fabulous day. Bye!